Follow this tutorial and learn how to make this segmented head graphic. All steps are beginner-friendly, shown and explained in this video, and no special shapes or add-ins are required. First, go to the Insert tab and click on Icon. Type the word head into the search bar. Select the icon as shown on screen. Next, resize the icon to 14 centimeters for both height and width. To be able to work with this icon further, we need to transform it into a shape. For this, do a right-click on the icon and select Convert to Shape in the appearing drop-down. Then delete the fragments inside the head shape. Since the cutouts cannot be removed, we will have to cover them up. For this, insert a rectangle shape. Make sure to remove the outline. Move the shape on top of the cutouts and adjust the rectangle to cover them. You can use one rectangle for each cutout, as shown on screen. Once done, select all 3 elements and go to Shape Format. In the left side toolbar, click on Merge Shapes and then select Union. You now have your head shape as a base. If you would like for it to face the other way, simply go to Rotate and flip it horizontally. In a second step, we are going to create the different segments. For this, insert a long rectangle shape. Adjust the height to 0.1 centimeters. Give the shape a different color for better contrast. Now place your rectangle onto the head. The lines you place in this step will determine the size and number of your segments. So feel free to adjust the number of lines to your needs. Try to create an even spacing. Once you are done, select all the rectangle shapes. Then click on Arrange and in the Align drop-down select Distribute vertically. This will ensure a completely even spacing. Next, select all shapes on the slide and go to Shape Format. In the Merge Shapes drop-down, select Fragment. Now delete all the remnants of the rectangle's shapes to finalize your fragments. Make sure to group all the elements of your fragmented head shape. This way you can move and resize it easily. While grouped, you can still select the individual segments to choose filling colors to your liking. Each segment can be filled individually. If you would like to give multiple segments the same color, make sure to select them all before choosing the color. In a third step, we are going to insert a speech bubble icon. For this, follow the steps shown on screen. These can be used to label the segments. Of course, you can also write into the segments directly and leave the bubbles out of your design. Once inserted, adjust the size to your liking. Then give it the same fill color as the segment it is placed next to. Duplicate your icon and place it on the other side of the head shape. For the tip to point the right way, go to Shape Format and click on Rotate. In the drop-down, select Flip Horizontal. Then adjust the color of the shape to fit the segment that it points to. Repeat this process until all of your segments are assigned a fitting speech bubble. For the adjustment of the speech bubble direction, you can also use the Flip Vertical option in the Rotate drop-down. Once you have placed all of your speech bubble icons, don't forget to group all of your elements. This allows for easier handling of your graphic in further slide design processes. You can easily resize the grouping, move it, and copy-paste it. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.